So the next part of Cookidoo is saving recipes and collections and having easy access to them to do your cooking day to day. So firstly, let's go back into the results. Just click search and it gives us all the recipes. So let's say pizza dough. Classic, everyone makes pizzas in the Thermomix. So this recipe is good just to have on hand. And when you come into any recipe, if we scroll down, we'll see the detail of the recipe. Come back up and you can select cook today. So I'll do that. And then if I go over to my week, where's today? Cook today. Obviously I've got big plans for today. And there's the pizza dough. So if I come back to where I was in the recipe, the other options I have are to bookmark it. Let's do that as well. Then I can add it to a collection and I'll add it to my basics collection. So that's effectively a folder that I've created. Or when you do add to collection, you can create a new one if it's something new. So I'll just do demo, for example, and save that. And we'll go over and show you where all of these are in a moment. I can add it to my week, which is similar to cook today, except you get to choose the day. So I'll do that in a few days' time. Or I can just add the ingredients to my shopping list and then print that shopping list out, or send it straight to Woolworths. And I can add it to my created recipes. This is where it allows you to make amendments to Cookidoo recipes. So if you've got a recipe that you'd like, but you switch something out, or you reduce the sugar, or you make muffins instead of the cake, for example, you can adjust the recipe and save it as your own version. So we'll go over to my recipes, and under bookmarks, where it defaults, there's the pizza dough. Then if I look under my created collections, I put it into basics, and I also created a new collection called demo, and there it is. Under my weekly plan, we'd already put it in cook today, but I'd also added it to Monday next week. So there's the pizza dough. So with when you're on your Thermomix, you can go straight to your week, and I'll be showing you this, and you will see all of these recipes, and then on your Thermomix you just tap on it, and then you'll have a start cooking, and off you go. Also on your Thermomix, you can go directly to the explore page, but saving your recipes into, I'll go back here, into your own collections. This is where it really helps to, if you haven't saved it to cook today, but you know, oh, that's the drink that I make all the time. So for example, if you're a regular citrus margarita or a sunrise margarita, which is the non-alcoholic version, then you've got them in your drinks folder, and you don't have to have thought about whether you've saved it to make today yet. You can just go straight there on the Thermomix and cook it right now. So under my recipes, if we also go to saved, this is where you'll see the collections that I have saved. So for example, there's high tea, which is some nice things for entertaining, homemade gifts, which is particularly good at Christmas time, the low carb book, lunch boxes, making memories, so that's sort of, again, entertaining, picnics, etc. These are like consultant favorite recipes. So just some good ones. It's just a reminder to you to go through and have a look at the things that you've saved, and then from these you can either go into the recipe or just click on the dots to get all those options up, and you can add it to your own collection. So for example, let's see one that might look nice to make. The pulled pork brioche sliders with slaw, that looks pretty good. So I'm going to add that to my try soon collection. I do find that things can get lost, so that's a good one for things that I want to try. Okay, so have fun having a look around Cookidoo.